Hello, good day everyone. This is Tefs, welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a 21-inch Sanyo CRT TV. Model ST21SS1. It's not turning on, blinking standby light indicator only. I'll show you how to repair it. If you are interested in electronics and want to learn how to repair TVs and other electronic gadgets, you've came to the right channel. So why not consider subscribing for more great content? And make sure to like and ring the notification bell to never miss a video like this. So let's get started. The TV board looks clean and it seems it has not been repaired before. I believe this TV is from the 1990s to the 2000s. I have never seen such a clean television for an old model. The TV is not turning on, so let's measure the main B+ output. This is an analog TV, so let's use an analog multimeter. We will measure the main B+ voltage at the terminals of this capacitor. The voltage is low and it is blinking. The voltage should be 110 volts. This issue could be related to the power supply or a problem with the horizontal output and the playback transformer. The TV is unplugged now but the main capacitor is still charged. We should discharge it to avoid the risk of electric shock while identifying the faulty component. It is clear that this capacitor has burned out. It is connected to the collector and emitter of the horizontal output. The collector is going to the coil of the playback transformer and the other end of the coil is the B+ supply. This burnt capacitor prevents the voltage from getting through the collector of the horizontal output. This is a snubber capacitor. The main purpose of a snubber capacitor circuit is to absorb voltage spikes, protecting the switching devices from damage and enhancing the overall reliability of the system. I can't find a 331K or 0.33 nanofarad 2 kilovolts. This is the nearest value I found, 561K or 0.56 nanofarad. I found 331K but only 1 kilovolts. I go to the 561K 2 kilovolts. I think the voltage is most important. The capacitance is so near apart, 561K 2 kilovolts will work.
Dito.
We now have a voltage of about 120 volts, and the TV is turning on with the raster display. The horizontal transistor does not generate heat. I think the TV is okay now. Before we close the TV, let's resolder the vertical IC output and the power switching regulator IC. Those ICs will develop cold solder joints over time. Please make sure to discharge the main capacitor before soldering. It is now December 31st here in the Philippines, and it's time to celebrate the arrival of the new year. Happy New Year everyone! Let's welcome the new beginnings with enthusiasm.
moments later.
The TV now is working great. Thanks for watching. Happy New Year everyone.
Uy! Hello, Ali. Kumusta ka na? Okay lang naman. Ikaw, kumusta na? Ayos lang.